finding and acquiring a new customer is pretty tough now. So it's really important that companies focus on the customers they have today, keep them happy, keep them coming back for more.
One of the biggest challenges that I've been focusing on solving for the last 2 years is how do we maintain that same high level of partnership and client experience while also leveraging technology, automation, and some of kind of the best-in-class functionality that Zendesk provides. So even though we had a very human-first kind of approach to our support experience, our customers, when something's not working or when they have a question, they don't necessarily care whether or not they get a personalized human to tell them. They just want the answer as quickly as possible. We knew that we wanted to get to a point where we had a conversational chatbot where our clients and users could get help. We enabled Zendesk's answer bot kind of right out of the box, and immediately we started to see between 100 and 150 tickets resolved per week. What really helps integrating Zendesk into Gainsight is we make sure that our customers have a seamless experience, they can get quick answers, and they hear back from us quickly after making a request, and we don't kind of drag the customer into our own internal administrative minutia.